Silakan.
Let me introduce myself to all of you. My name is Felicia. I am from P2 Determined. Today, I want to tell you about the proud rose story. Once upon a time, in a desert far away, there was a rose who was so proud of her beautiful looks. Her only complaint was growing next to an ugly cactus. Every day, the beautiful rose will insult and mock the cactus by his looks. Oh, while the cactus remained quiet, all the other plants nearby tried to make the rose see sense, but she was too swayed by her own looks. One scorching summer, the desert became dry and there was no water left for the plants. The rose quickly began to wilt. Her beautiful petals dried up, losing their lush color. Looking at the cactus, she saw a sparrow dip his beak into the cactus to drink some water. Thought ashamed, the rose asked the cactus if she could have some water. The kind cactus readily agreed, helped them both through the cold summer as friends. So, the moral of the proud rose story is never judge anyone by the way they look. Thank you.
Yeay, thank you Felicia. Tepuk tangannya dong. Iya, itu dia storytelling